Hello, friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are introducing a game-changing solution for the construction industry, the clay brick making machine. In Europe, where sustainable building is becoming more important than ever, this technology offers a perfect alternative to conventional bricks and cement blocks. Whether you're working on housing, commercial projects, or eco-friendly construction, this machine is designed to make your job faster, easier, and more cost-effective. Traditionally, brick making has required heavy manual labor and often comes with high costs and long timelines. At the same time, the construction industry in Europe is under pressure to reduce carbon footprints and switch to greener building materials. That's where this clay brick making machine comes in. By using natural clay and advanced pressing technology, it creates durable bricks that meet modern building standards, while also being eco-friendly and sustainable. As you can see in this demo, the machine takes raw clay and presses it into uniform, high-strength bricks. The process is simple, automated, and requires minimal manpower. Key features include high-efficiency production, hundreds of bricks in a single cycle, strong and reliable bricks, suitable for European construction codes. Labor saving reduces the need for large teams of workers. Eco-friendly design supports sustainable housing initiatives. This means builders and contractors can cut costs, save time, and deliver projects faster, all while contributing to a greener future. In Europe, this machine is especially useful for eco-housing projects, green architecture, and sustainable construction. Many countries are already moving towards natural and low-carbon building solutions, and clay bricks are gaining popularity as a result. From small residential homes to large urban projects, this technology ensures consistent quality and scalability. Architects, engineers, and builders can confidently use these clay bricks for walls, foundations, and sustainable building designs. The future of construction in Europe is smart, sustainable, and efficient. With the clay brick making machine, traditional labor-intensive methods are replaced by a modern, automated process. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to see more real machine demos and innovations from the construction world. Your support helps us bring you more content on modern farming and building technologies.